Look how pretty that is. Woo! So, this is Chilopsis linearis. Cello means lips, and opsis means resembling. So, I'm presuming that these are resembling some beautiful lips with lipstick and a beautiful yellow throat. Chilopsis linearis is also known as, linearis means the foliage because it's linear, it's lineal. See that? It's long and narrow. So I'm standing here just outside Sedona, Arizona, where it's amazingly hot and dry. It's June 1st. Take a look at the native vegetation. Not a gas station. It's just, that's it, right? Look at how dry the soil is. And then you have the most delightful tree ever right here. All along this row. There's several. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trees. And I first knew this tree when I went to the Ruth Bancroft garden in Walnut Creek and was just blown away that something this beautiful could exist that was this drought tolerant that I didn't know about. It's a really well behaved smaller to medium sized tree. These are younger specimens. I have some growing in my garden. I don't have this bright of a color. This is obviously a strain, a clone. These trees could be grown from cuttings, simply rooted cuttings. And this one here has just the most amazing rich color. Can't get enough of that. But it does look like a willow tree. When it gets bigger, it actually weeps. And it's extremely drought tolerant. And in the Bay Area, it really doesn't need any water at all. In fact, it'll naturalize. I've had it self-seed in my garden. Look how dry the soil is. It doesn't care. Look at this nasty soil. It's growing in a rock. So, also, when you have athlete's foot, you can grind up some parts of this plant and eat your athlete's foot, they say. Or if you're getting hungry and you need to hunt some animals to feed yourself, you can make bows. Not arrows, but bows with these things. You can see it bends. It's really flexible wood. So I can see how that would make a good bow. But it's a wonderful plant if you have a kind of a desert garden, or even if you don't. You can see how beautiful it flowers all the time, how well behaved it is. It's not too aggressive. This plant will also hybridize freely with catalpa. This plant here is native to the desert Southwest and into Mexico. And the catalpa is a related species that's native to the United States Southeast. But the two actually hybridized with each other, and they form a plant called Chitalpa, Chitalpa. That's also a really nice tree. But I don't think I've ever seen such beautiful, uniform, round-topped Chilopsis linearis ever before. Look at that beautiful form on this one. Usually they're kind of rangy and wild looking, which I really like, but I also like this nice, more typical form here. So I'm wondering if the form itself